What does a true HEPA vacuum actually mean for job site safety? It all starts with how the vacuum is built and whether it's properly sealed. On industrial job sites, fine dust like silica or metal particles can stay airborne long after the work is done. Many vacuums claim a HEPA filter, but still allow fine dust to bypass. A true HEPA vacuum is designed to capture and contain that fine dust before it spreads. That means a fully sealed system, certified HEPA filtration, and construction that keeps particles from escaping during operation or disposal. When everything works together, the vacuum helps maintain cleaner air, safer conditions, and better control over hazardous dust. That matters for compliance, and it matters for the people working in those environments every day. Ruwac HEPA vacuums, built for real containment, built for safer job sites.